Okay, so we're going to create a shared drive. We're going to open up Chrome. You're going to open up a new tab. Go to Drive. In Drive, you're going to go to Shared Drive. Click Add New. You're going to label this something that you want it to be labeled, like maybe Health Drive. Okay, now once you've created the drive, the way you control whether or not they can delete things is how you add them as members. So we're going to click Manage Members, and the people you want to share this with, say I want to share it with Matt, you look at this and you just make them viewers. This way, they can only look at the files and copy them. They can't change them, they can't add files, it just makes it so they can see them. You can let them know that you're doing this by making sure this box is checked and putting in a nice note here. Here are the files I want to share with you. And then you click Send. And if at any point you need to revoke that membership, like you're like, oh, I don't want to share that with Matt anymore, you can go to Manage Members here, select them, and you can click Remove. Or maybe you want them to be able to add files. You can change them into a contributor. A content manager can add, edit, or remove, or delete files in the folder. So you want to be really careful with that one. And manager can do all of that and add and remove people. So really only you should be a manager in here. So a viewer, all they can do is take the files. Commenter, they can add notations to the files, but it won't alter the files. And then a contributor can add and edit files. And again, remove just removes that person. You click Save. And now I'm not sharing with Matt anymore. And that's pretty much all of it.